Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Find the coordinates of the points of the trisection. Trisection means three parts in a line. Okay, we'll draw one line here joining these 2 points. Here point A will take 4, -1 and this point is -2, -3. Now here trisection means we should make 3 parts. Okay, point P and point Q. Now first here 3 parts means here 1, this one is 2 but you should write 1 only there, then here also 1. 1, 2, 3 parts, totally 3 parts. Now we know that in section formula there is m1 into m2. So what we should do to find the coordinates of point P, xy. To find the coordinates of point P, so this one you should write as it is. We'll take one more point, one more diagram here. Then this point A, 4, -1. Then this is point P, xy. Then this point will take a B, -2, -3. That means what we understood from this means here point P divides a line segment in the ratio 1:2 because here 2 parts are there, so we should take 2. Here only 1 part, so we should write 1. Now to find the coordinates of this point P, so here we should take m1. m1 is equal to 1, m2 is equal to 2. m2 is equal to 2 to find the coordinates of point P. Now what is the formula here? So m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, then next m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now here m1 is 1, m2 is 2. Now this point we should take x1 and y1. Then this point we should take x2, y2. m1, what is m1 value? 1 into x2. x2 is -2 minus 2 plus m2 is 2. x1, what is x1 here? 4 into 4 whole divided by m1 plus m2, 1 plus 2. The next m1, that is 1 into y2, y2 is -3 plus m2 is 2. Then y1 is -1 into -1 whole divided by, should write same, 1 plus 2. Okay, now multiply this. -2 into 1, that is -2 plus 2 4s are 8 whole divided by 1 plus 2 is 3. Next 1 into -3 is -3, then plus into minus, minus 2 ones are 2 divided by 3. Then this is equal to minus 2 plus 8, both are opposite side. That means we have to subtract 8 minus 2, 6 divided by 3. Then here both are opposite, same sign. That means keep minus sign and add 3 plus 2, that is 5 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are cancel it. Then that is same. So therefore coordinates of point P, that is x5, is equal to, what is there here, 2 comma minus 5 by 3. We got 1 point. Next point. Now here same point A, that is 4 comma minus 1. Here P is there, already we got P, no need to take. Then point Q. Now here B point, that is minus 2 comma minus 3. Now we should find the coordinates of point Q. Here what we should take? Here we can take xy. Then this side 2 parts are there. So here m1 what we should take? 2. m2 we should take a 1. Okay, here 2 parts, here only 1 part. So that means point Q divides a line segment in the ratio 2:1. In the ratio 2:1. Then here you can take here Q, xy, formula is same. Okay. Then this is equal to m1, here we should take 2. Then this point we should write x1, y1. Then here x2, y2. m1 is 2 into x2. x2 is minus 2 into minus 2 plus m2. m2 is 1 into x1. x1 is 4 divided by m1 plus m2, means that is 2 plus 1. Then m1 is 2 into y2. y2 is minus 3. Then plus m2 is 1 into y1. y1 is minus 1 whole divided by 2 plus 1. Then we should multiply. 2 2s are 4, that is minus 4. Minus 4. Then plus 1 into 4 is 4 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Next point. 2 3s are 6, minus is there, so minus 6. Plus into minus, minus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Then here minus 4 plus 4, that is equal to 0, 0 by 3. Then both are negative, keep minus sign and add 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3. So this is equal to 0 by any number is 0, comma minus 7 by 3. So these are the coordinates of point Q, that is x is 0, y is minus 7 by 3. Okay, this is the result.